Hi guys, and this is a new video about the Instagram application. Today we will show you how to make a post of someone's story to your own one if you are not mentioned on it. So let's go to the watching. First and foremost, we need to go to the Instagram app, of course, and let's choose someone's story as an example. So remember that this video is about how to make an Instagram story using the story of someone if you are not mentioned. So let's go to the following list and choose some account. I will pick on this one, and we have a perfect story with dog. Okay, so the first and the best option to do this is to make a screenshot, of course. So if we want to repost this story to your own, we need to make a screenshot. Remember that if you don't know how to make a screenshot, how to capture the display on your own phone, you can successfully find this information on our channel, YouTube channel. Just write the name of your phone and add the screenshot tag on the search bar on our YouTube channel. So I'm sure that you will find the needful video on our account, and everything will be done successfully. So when we had created this screenshot, we need to post it on our Instagram story. So let's go to the home screen as usual and swipe it to the right side to create a new story. So later let's tap on the gallery app because we have our newly created screenshot here, and tap on it one time. Don't forget that you can also cut it and as an example save only this picture. Don't show your time and status bar here, smoothly cutting it and managing the scale. And of course, don't forget that you can mention this person on your story after tapping on the sticker icon here and picking on this special shortcut like mention. And we have the summer.sky account. We can also correct the style of our mention, picking on this text one more time and one more time. Also, if you are not sure that you had selected the needful account, you can check it again after clicking on the needful account on the period bar. So I will repeat these steps again because I want to make sure that our account was smoothly saved. Yes, so I can choose the needful account here on the bar to be sure that everything is perfectly set. And as I said before, after tapping on the text one more time, I can correct the style of the mention. Later, after choosing two fingers, I can drag this mention sticker to the needful place on my Instagram story and save it correctly and in the way I like the most. Well done! Don't forget that you need to pick on the Send to button and post your story to the main page or only for your close friends. I will choose the first option and tapping on the share and picking on the done button, the story will be posted. Later, don't forget that you need to wait a minute before the refreshing your home page and checking the result. Let's pick on our story, and as you can see, we have everything successfully set. We have our new Instagram story using the story of another account. Yes, guys, unfortunately, Instagram app doesn't have any special feature to share the selected story to your one, but we have this cool way, and we hope that you like it. Don't forget about likes if we solved your problem, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye!